Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's pack your bag. So today we are in Orlando, Florida, and we are in Universal, and we are going to explore so many rides here today. Island of Adventure is divided into several themed islands, and each one feels like stepping into a different universe. So first we are starting our morning with the most colorful area of the park, that is Seuss Landing. This area feels like you walked directly into Dr. Seuss' storybook. Nothing is straight, buildings are curved, trees look like cartoons, and everything is bright, playful, and whimsical. Honestly, it's a perfect place to start the day with kids. Our first ride of the day is Dr. Seuss Trolley Train Ride. Wait time is 35 minutes, and this is actually pretty good for the spring season. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. This queue itself is so much fun. The walls are filled with fun rhymes and silly Seuss stories, and it's like living inside a storybook. So once we boarded the colorful trolley, the train slowly climbed onto an elevated track. The real attraction of this trolley ride that you get to ride inside a circus themed cafe where you can wave to everyone below as they grab a meal. The colors are literally eye-popping. This trolley ride is perfect breath of fresh air. It's a family-friendly, gentle glide above the crowd, and you get bird-eye view of the whole park. The views are amazing. Below us, we can see families walking around, kids laughing, and colorful buildings. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. This ride is relaxing, family friendly, and a beautiful way to start the day. So this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. To join us on this adventurous journey, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.